Welcome back. After creating the HTML tag, inside the tag I have to create another tag. This time around, head tag. I'll create this head tag, close it just the same way I used to close the HTML tag. Close it like this. Then I will leave it, draw back a little, create another tag, body tag. I will close it like this. Now inside this head tag, I have to give it a title by creating a title tag. On creating this title tag, whatever thing that I will write in between this title tag becomes the title of this web page. I have to indent my code properly, so I have to press tab to shift this one on this side 2 times, press the head tag once, press this one once, press this one once, so that you notice that the HTML tag starts from here and ends from here. Now that the head tag is inside this HTML tag, while the title is inside the head tag. Remember, the body is at the same level with this head tag, so the head is inside the HTML tag and the body is also inside the HTML tag. Only the title tag is inside the head tag. So in between this title tag, I will write the title of the web page. Let me call it calculator. Calculator. Then I have to save. Clicking on here, I will save. Now I'll click on my Google Chrome. Okay, let me close it and run it from my Notepad++ by clicking on Run. Launch in Chrome. I click on it. You will see that it has launched. Now you can see the title that I have just put, calculator. So if I go ahead and change this calculator and call it sample tutorial, and click on Ctrl S, or I'll click here to save. Clicking on Ctrl S, I have saved. As you can see, this thing now becomes inactive. Then if I refresh on this my web browser, you see that the title changes to sample tutorial. Let's proceed. In our web development tutorial on beginners level, we are going to tell you how to change background color of your page and a whole lot of that. But for the sake of this video tutorial, I want to only focus on designing that calculator, so I'm not going to change the background of this page. I'll just go ahead and create the calculator. To create this calculator, I will use table to create it. There are so many tags we can use to create the calculator, but table will make it more easier and more faster. How we know a good programmer is how fast can you code and how easier do you make your work becomes to you. Inside the body tag, I have to create a table there. I will indent by pressing the tab key once. Start creating my table tag, and I will close the tag, table. Inside this tag, this table tag, I have to create a role for this table. I will write it TR, stand for the table row. I will close it, TR, table row. So which means that this table starts from here and ends here, and this table has only one row. Now I have to create my column or the table data by pressing the TD, and I close the tag TD. So you can see I have a table, and the table role is inside this table, the table tag inside the table row. I have to indent it properly so that you see it more clearly like this. I have it this way. I have a table role inside it. I have the table data. Now I want this table to show, so I have to put it a border. Border is equals to 1. For the beginners, this border is known as an attribute. Border is one of the attributes we have in table tag. In our tutorial beginners level on web development, we are going to tell you a lot of things about attributes. Everything you need to know about HTML, CSS and JavaScript.